Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML add element and other element we can place inside the HTML add element. And right now we'll be discussing about HTML script element which we can place inside our add element. The script element is used to define client-side JavaScript. The following JavaScript writes hello JavaScript into HTML element with ID demo. Quickly, let me show you our document. Our document is like this. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about meta element. And you can check our playlist, a full playlist on HTML add element. You are going to see all these tutorial we are doing right now. So quickly, what we are going to do right now is to create a button. Let's create a button. Now, after creating the button right here, after creating the button, we are going to create somewhere we are going to display the thing inside that we want to the function. Now we have created one h2 element here. One h2 element is having this ID test. So quickly, let's get back to this our add element here and place script there. We have created a script right now. Now let's create a function. Now we have created a function. After that, let's create a method. Now we have created a method that it should display thank you in our text element, in our element that is having ID test. So this is having ID test. Let's save it and click something and reload it. Can you see? Let's click it. Can you see it display thank you? So that's what we want to show you. That's how you can use script element inside our inside our add element, and it will do something for you in your body element. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next